The Northeast monsoon or amihan has officially ended, marking the start of the dry season across the Philippines according to Pag-asa. While most areas will experience warmer temperatures, occasional thunderstorms may still occur. Pag-asa advises the public to take precautions against heat stress. It also urged everyone to optimize water usage for personal and domestic needs. Yun, at saka
finally, yesterday, official
na.
Dry season na tayo. Actually, kasi wala talaga tayong summer. Walang tawag eh. Pero parang nako-correlate na lang natin yung dry season to summer.
Is linked to a break. Summer break. Pero ang sabi ng Pag-asa, it's not going to be as hot as last year. Because last year was terrible eh. They released a statement na it's not going to be, yung temperatures, although may mga times na may critical level pa rin, danger level, pero hindi daw po parang last year.
Actually nga, mas na-late yung yung pag-declare ngayon ng Pag-asa.
Kasi lumalaban si amihan eh.
March to May ang dry season. Eh ngayon pa-end na ang March. Ngayon pa lang.
Ayun. So ang sinasabi kasi nila, yung amihan was still very persistent sa northern areas. Kahit nagbabadya yung easterly sa central to southern areas, di ba? Yeah, go ahead.
To talk more about this, we are joined by Pag-asa weather specialist Dan Villamil. Hey Dan, good morning.
Yes po, good morning po sa inyo and to our viewers. So as of now, may minomonitor ang Pag-asa na low pressure area sa loob ng ating latest location natin. As of 3 a.m. today, ay 220 kilometers east ng Hinatuan, Surigao del Sur. Maliit naman yung chance na nasabing low pressure area na maging bagyo in the next 24 hours. Pero magdudulot pa rin ito ng mga kaulapan at mga kalat-kalat na pag-ulan, papulog at pagkilat sa most of Visayas, Northern Mindanao, Caraga, and Davao Region. For Metro Manila, and sa nalalabing bahagi pa ng ating bansa, magpapatuloy naman itong mainit at malinsangang panahon na dulot ng easterlies, pero ngayon pa man nandiyan pa rin yung mga tsansa ng usual late afternoon or evening na mga thunderstorms. And sa ating sea condition o sa kalagayan ating karagatan, wala namang gale warning na nakataas. And banayat hanggang sa katamtamang pag-alon ang ating inaasahan sa malaking bahagi ng ating bansa.
Yes, Dan, yung dry season, medyo late, parang late na nag-start, no? Does it mean na also mag-i-end siya later on or same schedule pa rin ang tatakbo nito?
Well, usually, based po sa ating latest analysis, same schedule pa rin naman po. Nasan pa rin natin yung usual or normal onset naman ng ating rainy season. So itong dry season kasi nagtatagal hanggang the latter parts of May. And starting sa first weeks ng June, saka na natin mararanasan yung usual occurrence ng ating afternoon thunderstorm. So this signifies yung pagpasok naman ng ating southwest monsoon o yung habagat season natin.
Pero just to clarify lang, which areas pa rin yung pwedeng makaranas pa ng mga pag-ulan?
So most of the country, so since nag-terminate na po tayong northeast monsoon at inasa na natin yung onset ng dry season o tag-init, mas madalas na yung ating thunderstorm activity. So most of the country makakaranas na ng mga usual na late afternoon to evening thunderstorms.
And then finally, Pag-asa made pronouncements, I think this last few days na although dry season at magiging mainit na, pero hindi daw magiging grabe ng last year. Is that correct?
Yes po. So inaasam kasi natin, papunta tayo sa tinatawag nating ENSO neutral condition. So patapos na yung nakaraang La Nina, and maalala natin last year, may episodes tayo na El Nino. So inasahan natin mas makakaranas tayo or mas usual yung mga thunderstorms. So usually nakakatulong naman ito na hindi ganun kataasan yung ating maximum temperatures na naitatala usually sa tanghali or hapon.
All right. Thank you for that, Pag-asa weather specialist Dan Villamil.